Hey guys, welcome back to the Creative Shack. My name's Lisa, and today we're going to do some cutting board DIYs. I have so many cutting boards and I got to get rid of these. Okay, so I picked some of these up on sale at Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree as well. So guys, let's get started with this first one. So this one I picked up at Hobby Lobby. It was like $2.50. So definitely keep an eye out on those red tickets. I went on my Cricut Design space and I found this perfect saying, "This kitchen is seasoned with love," and it goes perfect with that heart charm. After I pulled that all off, and I did it with black vinyl to definitely stand out. And then I actually pulled out some ribbon that I actually already had. So this black and white checkered ribbon for a kitchen is perfect. I tied a little knot at the end, and that was it for this one. This one is so cute. It's perfect for a shower gift, to a wedding gift, or just a decor piece. Okay, so let's do the second DIY. The second DIY, I pulled out these two blue mini cutting boards that I got from Hobby Lobby. I got 4 of them in a pack. These were the little ones. Put some ribbon on there, and then I went on my Cricut Design space and I just put these little cute little sayings on. And after that, I pulled out some twine. Now, twine really makes it if you don't like it so plain, and it just gives it a little texture on the cutting board. Then I pulled out some of my Dollar Tree stickers. Now, these are perfect for this saying. I love how there is a fork and spoon on here, so I just stuck them right on there. I wanted to put these mason jars on here, but they were very see-through, so I decided to put this little decor piece that was from another sticker pack from the Dollar Tree, and I just stuck this right in that corner. So for the third DIY, these are a little bit bigger, and I actually got these from Hobby Lobby in the same pack. So I just put some black and white different ribbon on here, and then I went on my Cricut Design space and found these really cute sayings: "Choose your weapon," and "In this kitchen, we lick the spoon." Now, I did grab a little wooden spoon out of my stash as well too. I got these from Amazon. And then after that, I decided to just take some twine and wrap them around and adhere it with some hot glue. And I just wrapped it around twice just to give it a little bit of texture. And that was it for all 4 of these little cutting boards. I love these. These are great for selling. This is great for a gift, and this is great for your kitchen as well. I love each and one of these things, and I think they're kind of funny. So for the next DIY, I grabbed this cutting board from Dollar Tree. Now, it's really thin, but that's okay. So all I did was take some of my Waverly wax and I stained it, and I made sure it was completely dried. Then I went on my Cricut Design space and I found this super cute saying with this girl on here, and I did it with some black vinyl. And then I just put that right onto the cutting board. And it says, "My secret to cooking, let someone else do it." And then I pulled out some of that same ribbon, and I actually love this ribbon for a kitchen because it can go with any color in your kitchen as well. So this ribbon, I decided to make a bow, and then I decided to make another bow because I wanted it to be a little bit thicker. So all I did was cut it to size, and then I just glued that right in the middle of the other bow. And I just kind of curled the little ends of it. And then I just stuck this little cute little flower, burlap flower, and I stuck that right in the middle of the bow. And I just put a little twine on here so someone can hang it up. And this one was absolutely one of my favorites. I love doing this for a kitchen. I hope you guys liked all these cute little kitchen decor pieces. These are great for a gift, to a home decor piece, to sell, guys. This is an easy sell as well. And if you guys like these, give me that thumbs up. And if you would love to subscribe, I would love you to be on board. And I'll see you next one. Bye, guys. Have a great weekend.